This area of this module is going to show you what you need to do as the course instructor to make sure that your course is up and running for your students each week by 8 a.m. As you can see right now, there's a week 1 pacing guide that the students can see. You can tell that the students can see it because it is not grayed out. If I scroll down a little bit further, I can see that the one below is for week 2, and this is something that the course developer started and has hidden from students. Alright, so we're going to talk about these pacing guides and how to make these active later in this section. But ultimately what we're going to do first is when you're going through, we want to make the content active for students so that way they can go through and be completing their work. So what you would do is if you look at your lesson goals, alright, you determine that they need to complete lessons 1, 2, and 3. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down into this course content area. I'm going to go into the Unit 1, and then I need to make lessons 1, 2, and 3 active. All right, to do this, I just need to hit the gearbox, and then I'm going to hit publish. And I'm going to hit publish again. And then I need to do this for lesson 2. I need to make my quiz published. And then lesson 3 as well. So what this does is it makes the folder visible for everyone, and then it will also make all of the content within that folder visible for everyone as well. So right now I have my 3 lessons that the students are going to be completing. Before we move on to course completion, what I should also mention is that there may be times where students may not get through an entire lesson by the end of the week. So essentially what we would do is, for example, I'm just going to go into lesson 1 just because I know I have stuff in here. If I know students will not be completing all of the things in this lesson, what I can then do is if I have the whole lesson active, I might just have to unpublish things they might not get to. So I might have to just unpublish this reflect activity or so on. So I just hit unpublish, the message will pop up and I'll say, yes, I want to unpublish it. And then I can tell that the students will not see it if it has that grayed out. You can see that the letters are in the graphic are slightly grayed out. It might not show up on this video screen, but you'll be able to tell within your own courses then. All right, so this is going to lead us into our next section on using course completion.